Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Discord is not loading on the Edge browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Now, before anything else, Discord is an app where the server being down is a normal thing. So search for Discord server status and then go to discordstatus.com. Check the server status here. Once this is okay, you can clear the cache. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on the bin symbol here, change the time range to all time and then click on clear now. This helps. If not, click on these three dots here, select settings, go to reset settings, restore settings to the original values and reset the browser. That's it. If this doesn't work either, then maybe there's an issue with your account or something, because there's nothing else that can be done with the browser. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.